Hello all, my name is Chandan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so student, today in our particular today in this particular video we discuss the O-level information technology tools and network basis M1 R5 book and content. Okay, so go to our slides. In our previous video we already discussed the introduction of computer, okay, and the types of computer, okay, and then we already discussed the characteristics of computer, again the basic application of computer, okay, and there are some latest IT gadgets we already discussed in our previous class. So in this particular video, in this class we discuss the evolution of computer and its application, okay, the evolution of computer and its application. So evolution means the growing procedures, okay, the time period. It is a one type of step by step growing process, okay, for a computer system. So around 875 AD the zero was developed, okay. So zero was developed in around 875 AD, okay. In first, if we discuss the first calculator abacus, okay, the first calculator abacus is a one type of first information processor. It is a one type of first information processor. The name is abacus. It is a very important question. So the next is John Gutenberg is a German inventor, okay. Invented the first printing process in 1415 AD लगभग, okay. In 1600 William Outthread, okay, thread, an English clearman invented the slide rules. It is a one type of analog computer. Then in 1642 is very important point, okay. In 1642 Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical adding machine. It is a very important question and normally asking in banking exam, okay. So Blaise Pascal in 1642 invented the first mechanical adding machine, okay, first mechanical adding machine. In 1671 Von Gottfried and William is a German inventor, okay, invented the first calculator for multiplication, okay, and Blaise Pascal invented the first adding machine means plus machine, okay, adding machine, okay. In 1822 Charles Babbage, a 19th century professor, okay, designed a differential engine, and Charles Babbage was called father of computer, you know that, okay. Again in 1983 Charles Babbage comes with a new idea, okay, and develop analytical engine. That is also a very important point, okay, for competitive exam. Who developed the first analytical engine? That means the Charles Babbage, okay. So go to the next slide. Around around 1890, Hermann Hillerith is a scientist. Hermann Hillerith developed is a proposed the concept and developed the punch card. Okay, it is a one type of storage device. It is a one type of storage device developed by Hermann Hillerith. Okay, and in 1880 to 1890, okay, in the same way, the John Merkel is the first commercial computer developer. Okay, first commercial computer developer. The name is Univac 1, Universal Automatic Calculator. Okay, Universal Automatic Calculator developed by John Merkel. Okay, it is a very important question. The basic architecture of computer. The basic architecture of computer was developed by Dr. John von Neumann. Okay, the basic architecture of computer was developed by Dr. John von Neumann in 1942 to 1955. Okay, so this question is very important for SSC. Who is the developer? Who is the architecture of computer? That means the answer is Dr. John von Neumann. Okay, so the next is the generation of computer. Okay, the next is the generation of computer. Okay, in generation of computer, computer was it is one type of technology, it is growing technology. Okay, so developed both hardware and software technology. We divides a computer in 5 stages. That is called generation. That is called generation. That means 5 generations are available in a computer system. The 5 time periods. Okay, first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Okay, we discuss the first generation. First of all, we discuss the first generation of computer. Okay, in a first generation computer, the first generation time period is from 1942 to 1955. 1942 to 1955 is called the first generation of computer. Okay, in first generation of computer, vacuum tubes technology are used for processing. Mind it is a very important question. In first generation of computer, and first generation of computer normally based on 1942 to 55. Okay, and vacuum tubes technology are highly used for processing purpose in first generation of computer. And for the memory purpose, in first generation of computer, electromagnetic relay memory are used, and punch card also used in first generation of computer. Okay, so in our bank exam or in SSC exam, they are asking a simple question: in which generation of computer are used, or punch card are used in which generation of computer? That means in first generation of computer. Okay, the answer is first generation of computer. In this generation, computers are used for scientific application. Okay, only for scientific application and programming, like machine and assembly language, using machine and assembly language. In first generation of computer are normally used machine language or assembly language. Okay, for programming. Okay, so in first generation of computer are blocky in size, highly unreliable. Okay, highly unreliable, and sometimes hardware failures also present in first generation of computer. That is the disadvantage of first generation of computer. Okay, and power supply also very high. That is also a disadvantage of first generation of computer. Okay, and some respective examples of first generation of computer is ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC1, and IBM 701. All are the model of first generation computer. Okay, clear? So move on to the second generation of computer. Okay, move on to the second generation of computer. So in second generation of computer, second generation was based on 1955 to 1964. Second generation was based on 1955 to 1964. In this generation computer, transistor technology are used for processing, and we replace the vacuum tube. Okay, and transistor technology are used in this generation. Okay, and John Baron William was invented the transistor technology. Okay, memory of this second generation of computer was used magnetic core memory. Magnetic core memory is a one type of magnetic memory basically used in second generation of computer. Okay, and also magnetic tape and secondary storage device also used in second generation of computer. Okay, in second generation computers are used for scientific application, high level programming language like Fortran, COBOL, okay, formula translation, common business oriented language, algorithm and logic, okay, and SNOBL. All are the second generation of language, okay, highly programming language are used in second generation of computer. And batch operating system also used in second generation of computer. Okay, and second generation of computer are basically used for commercial purpose like payroll, accounting, inventory management, okay, etc. Second generation of computer are used for this purpose, and normally it is faster, smaller, more reliable, but costly. If we compare with first generation of computer, second generation of computer was little bit faster from first generation of computer. Okay, smaller, more reliable, okay, but costly. Okay, so the respective example of second generation computer is IBM 7030, UNIAC. All are the model of second generation computer. Okay, and normally second generation was based on 1955 to 1964. Transistor are used, magnetic core memory are used, okay, magnetic tape also used, disk secondary storage device also used. Okay, so move on to the third generation of computer. Okay, in third generation of computer, was based 1964 to 1975. 1964 to 1975 in this particular time period we called the third generation of computer. Okay, in third generation of computer it had been used integrated circuit, that means IC are used, highly used in third generation of computer, and IC was invented by J. Kilby. It is a one type of semiconductor memory, normally made up of silicon. Okay, and SSI, that means small scale integration, and MSI, middle scale integration technology also used in third generation of computer. Okay, magnetic core memory also used in third generation of computer, and magnetic tape, magnetic disks also used, that means HDD, hard disks also used in third generation of computer. Hard disks, magnetic tape are introduced in third generation of computer. Okay, and mini computers also we introduced in third generation of computer, mini computers. Okay, and third generation computer used high level programming language like COBOL, common business oriented language, Fortran, formula translator, BASIC, beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. All are used as a language, all are the computer language are basically used in third generation of computer. Okay, and time sharing operating system also used, in third generation of computers, and it is highly used for commercial purpose, and applications, online applications also present in third generation of computers. Okay, in this generation computers are faster, smaller, more reliable, easier to use when we compare with second generation of computer. Okay, some respective examples of third generation computer is IBM 360, IBM 370, okay, PDP 8, PDP 11, CDC 6600. All are the example of third generation computer. Okay, so clear it. Okay, the third generation computer based on integrated circuit developed by J. Kilby. It is a one type of semiconductor memory normally made up of silicon. SSI MSI technology also used. Micro magnetic core memory, magnetic disks, magnetic tape also used. Mini computer was introduced in third generation of computer. COBOL Photon basic types programming language also used in third generation computer. Time sharing operating systems are used. Okay, it is more reliable, faster as we compare with second generation, and the good example of third generation computer is IBM 360, IBM 370. Okay, so move on to the next slide and go to the fourth generation of computer. Okay, in fourth generation of computer, fourth generation was based from 1975 to 1989. It is the time period. Okay, in this particular time period we called the fourth generation of computer. Okay, the fourth generation was based on 1975 to 1989. In fourth generation of computer there had been used microprocessor. It is a very important technology. Okay, very important question. Microprocessor was introduced in fourth generation of computer. Okay, and IC with VLSI technology are also used. VLSI means the very large scale integration. Okay, very large scale integration technology are used in fourth generation of computer. Okay, magnetic tape are also used, and some programming high level programming language are introduced in fourth generation of computer like C, C++, Java, OOP, object oriented programming language like C Sharp. Okay, this type of. Okay, and Unix operating system also introduced in fourth generation of computer, and GUI also introduced. This is a very important point. Graphical user interface also used in fourth generation of computer. Okay, so multiprocessor technology are used. Network based application also used in fourth generation of computer. So it is a very important point. Network based application also used in fourth generation of computer. In this generation computer are faster, smaller, more reliable, more powerful, easier, and used for commercial purpose. Okay, some respective example of fourth generation computer is IBM PC, Apple II, TRS-80, Cray 1. Very important point. It is a first supercomputer in world. Okay, Cray 1, Cray 2. Okay, all are the respective example of fourth generation computer. Okay, so last we discuss the fifth generation of computer. Okay, so in fifth generation of computer, the fifth generation based on 1989 to till date. Okay, till date means 2021 2022. Okay, so that is the fifth generation of computer. In fifth generation of computer was highly based on artificial intelligence. That is a very important point. Artificial intelligence, AI technology are launched in fifth generation of computer and normally written in IPL, integrated programming language. Okay, multi-core processor chips are used in fifth generation of computer. Okay, and IC with ULSI, that means ultra large scale integration also used. This type of technology also used in 5th generation of computer. Okay, and the magnetic core memory, hard disks, magnetic memory, hard disks, large capacity of main memory, optical disks, that means CD, and DVD also introduced in 5th generation of computer. HVD also used in 5th generation of computer. And internet also introduced in 5th generation of computer. Okay, internet technology also used. Okay, in this generation computers, world wide web and multimedia like GUI multimedia also available, and programming language like Java, MPI, MPM, PVM, IPL, C#, Python also used in 5th generation of computer. Okay, in this generation of computers are faster, smaller, more reliable, more powerful, network based applications also supported, and highly used for commercial purpose. Okay, some respective example of 5th generation computer is IBM notebook, IBM PS/2, Param 8000. It is a very important question. Param 8000 is a Indian first supercomputer. Okay, so all are the good example of 5th generation of computer. Okay, so today we finish our class. In our next video we discuss the other other part of our module M1 R5. Okay, so thank you for watching.